Hi students, today I am going to explain how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. Already we know that the general form of a linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c is equal 0. This is the general form of a linear equations. In previous class we discussed how to find out the coefficients of x, y and the constant, and how to find out the solutions of given the linear equation in two variables. Today's our topic is how to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. This is a very important concept in 9th and also in 10th class. So listen carefully how to draw the graph of the equation in two variables. Here I am taking one of the linear equation is y minus 2x is equal to 4. The linear equation in two variables y minus 2x is equal to 4. The general form of a linear equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Always the graph of a linear equation is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c or y is equal to mx. The graph of a linear equations are in the form of y is equal to mx plus c or y is equal to mx. What is the difference between these two graphs? Y is equal to mx plus c. This line is intersecting the x-axis and y-axis. X-axis and y-axis in two different points. Y is equal to mx plus c. Always it is passing through the origin. Origin means suppose x-axis, this is y-axis. The two x and y axis are intersected at a point O. This is called origin. The point of the coordinates of origin is always 0, 0. Suppose y is equal mx graph. This is one of the line. It is always passing through the origin. Y is equal mx plus c. This is always intersect the x-axis and y-axis. This is y is equal to mx plus c. So there are two different graphs of a linear equation in two variables. One is in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is always intersect or cuts the x and y-axis. One more is y is equal to mx. It is always passing through the origin. Now I am taking one example. Draw the graph of a linear equation y minus 2x is equal to 4. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. First we have to change, given the linear equation in two variables, the general form of the graph y is equal to mx plus c. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4 plus 2x. Minus 2x, we have to shift it to the right side. The minus 2x will become a plus 2x. Now we have to make order pairs. X, y, x comma y. If we take any two positive integers or negative integers, instead of x, then we will get the value of y. Suppose first I am taking that x value is 0. X value is 0 means 2 into x is there, 2 into 0, 0, 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So the first order pair is 0, 4. Second 1. 2 into 1, 2 into x means 2 into 1, 2 plus 4 is 6. 2. 2 to the 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I am taking that negative integers minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So the second order pair 1 comma 6, third is 2 comma 8, minus 1 comma 2. We can make more solutions or more order pairs while we are taking instead of x any integers that may be positive and negative, then we will be get y values. So here I am taking 4 order pairs. First one is 0 comma 4, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 8 and minus 1 comma 2. Now these order pairs we have to plot on the graph sheet. So now I am saying on the board how to draw the graph. It is a rough graph, you have to make into fair. Okay, according to this rule, this general form, this line intersect the x and y axis. X axis, this is y axis, origin. Right side of the origin on the x axis positive direction, left side of the origin on the x axis negative directions. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Upside of the origin on the y axis positive direction, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7 and 8. Scale I took there on x axis 1 centimeter is equal 1 unit and the y axis also 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. Sometimes we have to change the scale. When we are getting the largest numbers, we have to take there 5 units, 10 units like that. Negative direction on the y axis minus 1, minus 2. So the first order pair 0 comma 4, x value is 0, y value is 4, means x ordinate is 0, y ordinate is 4. This point is located on the y axis to the positive direction, 0 comma 4. Next second order pair is 1 comma 6, 1 and 6. Third order pair is 2 comma 8. And the fourth order pair is minus 1 comma 2. So don't draw like these lines on the graph sheet. They are given already square boxes. Now first order pair 0 comma 4, second is 1 comma 6, third is 2 comma 8, then fourth one is minus 1 comma 2. Now join these points. So we got a one line that is intersected y axis and x axis. So this is the required graph of a linear equation. Y minus 2x is equal to 4. Here you have to write the scale. On the x axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit, on y axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. So this graph you have to make on the graph sheet neatly. Then I will give two more linear equations that also you have to complete on the graph book. So this is a process to draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables. In 10th class they will give one pair of linear equations. One pair means two linear equations they will give. We have to draw the two lines. They are intersector or parallel lines or coincident lines.